If you want to know how to use Honeygain on any devices to make money passively, then this video is for you. There has been an update about the devices where you can use Honeygain. So in this video, I'm going to show you on which devices you can use Honeygain and how to make more money passively from Honeygain app. I will also show you how I made $44 passively from Honeygain just within a month. What's going on, guys? Dave here again, and I want to start by showing you that I made $44 on Honeygain and I already withdrew this money, and I would like to share with you some tricks that you can use to make some extra money passively with Honeygain. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Alright, for those who do not know Honeygain, it is a way of making money passively by downloading Honeygain app on your devices and sharing your unused internet connection. So if you have unlimited internet connection with your internet plan, and if you want to utilize it to make money passively, then go to the link in the description below, join this platform. You will get a free $5 joining bonus if you sign up using the link below. Basically, I created this video to give you an update about the devices where you can use Honeygain and to give you some really important tips on how you can boost your earnings on this app. By the way, please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, and turn on that notification bell so that you will not be missing my future videos. And before we start, just to set the right expectations here, you cannot expect huge money from Honeygain since it's a way of making money passively just by sharing your internet connection. But you can certainly make decent extra money with this app if you follow what I'm going to show you today. All right. Now you can see here, if you go to the download section from this website, now it's available for Android, Windows, Linux, macOS, and iOS devices. It was not available for Apple devices, but now it's available for all of them. Most of the people asked me if they could download this app on Apple devices. Now you can simply go over to iOS devices, macOS devices, and then just click on this section here. It will lead you to App Store, and from there you can download the app easily. On whatever device you want to download this app, simply go to the website from that particular device and come to this download section and select the appropriate device type here, and it will start downloading. Now, I'd like to talk a little bit about the security aspects, as you might be concerned about your device and data security. A lot of people asked me how secure Honeygain is. For that, you can simply come over to the security section to know how secure the app is on this website here. As you can see, they have mentioned every bit of information about how secure the app is. The app is 100% secured and it does not harm your devices and data. This is what they've mentioned here. It uses your internet connection only and your data remains untouched. I've been using Honeygain for a while now and I find it absolutely okay. It's totally fine. And even the ratings of this app is also better than other similar platforms, which makes this app more trustworthy. However, guys, you can check out more details about the security aspects from the website yourself, okay? And then decide what's best for you. Now let's talk about how to boost your income on Honeygain. If you see the estimated earnings per month provided by them from their website, you can see here you can make around $19 per month by downloading this app on 3 devices and letting the app run in the background. Okay, if you download it on one device, and you can make approximately $7 per month. All right, and this is just an estimate. There's no guarantee that you will make the same amount of money as they show here on their website, and it totally depends on many factors like your internet speed, whether you let the app run daily or not, and so on. However, the important thing is the more devices you use, the more money you can make passively. This is for a fact. But remember, you can only add 2 devices per IP address. Okay, you have to use different IP address if you want to use more than 2 devices here. Okay, that is what you need to do. Now the second way to boost your earnings with this app is with their daily lucky draw, and this is amazing, guys. If you just open your dashboard and hover your mouse to the bottom of this page here, and it automatically pops up with this thing like a lucky draw thing here. and you just have to click open, and it literally just takes few seconds. You get extra free points. It's like a lucky draw. Every day they have this lucky draw, and then you open it, you get like 10, 50, even 100 points per draw. So this is amazing. This is one way to boost your earnings. So every day make sure you go there and you actually click on that so you get some extra points. And another really good way to boost your earnings with this app is with their referral program. It gives you extra points for inviting other people to use Honeygain. When your referrals earn, you're also given extra points. Basically, if they earn, you earn. And this is something that you can actually do to boost your earnings if you invite a lot of people. Let's say if you can get your referral link and get other peoples to sign up with your link and they start earning, you start earning along with them. So Honeygain basically gives you points as a way to thank you for inviting other people. That's it. Okay. But make sure not to spam your referral links directly everywhere on social media because you might be blocked. Okay. So this is something you have to be a bit careful. You should definitely use it wisely. It requires more work from your side to build up referrals, and it is actually worth it. You can actually build up your referrals and then you can make more money out of this application here. And to get your referral link, you just go over here. As you see here, go to the referral section here, and here's the link. This is where you can find your link, and you start promoting the link, inviting people with this link, and you can get more points from here. So as you can see, this site actually pays you, and there are easy ways to boost your earnings to make most out of this application here. And if you want to join Honeygain, then click the link in the description below. You will get a $5 bonus instantly to your account if you sign up using my invitation link. Well, that's it for this video, but if you want to make money from YouTube by converting free articles into videos in less than 20 minutes, go ahead and watch the video appearing to the left of your screen, and I will see you there.